This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Great floor plan with a huge kitchen with an island and lots of storage and counter space flows into a spacious family room, great for entertaining. Nice living room with access to the private deck and nature views. Large primary suite with a full bath and walk-in closet. Located is the beautiful Big Valley Woods manufacturing home community with walking trails, ponds, lots of wildlife to look at, and a recreation center too. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.